Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of Analytic Study of Lines. So let's dive into this problem. Let me read this again. Find the slope of the line passing through points C -3 and 4 and D is 1 and -2 and determine if the angle of inclination is acute or obtuse. So we will walk through how to find the slope of a line that passes through the given points. In this case, A is -3 and 4, and B is 1 and -2. I'll show you that step by step. We'll also explore how to determine whether the angle of an inclination of the line is acute or obtuse based on the slope. And we would need to know some of the, vocabulary. The acute angle is an angle between 0 and the 90 degree, and the obtuse angle are between 180 and 90 degrees. And to solve this question, we will use a slope formula. If 2 points is given and if you're trying to find their slope, the formula that you're going to use is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In this case, let's call this point x1, and this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. And if you will substitute the given values in, 4 minus -2 over -3 minus 1. And this becomes positive 6 over -4. And if you will simplify this, this is both of them, these are both even numbers, you can divide by 2, and positive divided by negative is first of -3 over 2. So we just found the slope as -2. And so we're done with the first part of the question. We just found the slope. But in the question, they also want you to determine if the angle of inclination is an acute or obtuse. Let me write a note in here. If the slope is positive, then the angle of inclination is acute. Another thing is, if the slope m is negative, the angle of inclination is obtuse. So in here, we just found the negative slope. Since the slope is -3 over 2, which is a negative value, then the inclination is obtuse. So technically, this is the answer for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.